Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by today. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh, and every week I share great content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So if this is your first time here, thank you so much for being here. Now today's topic is Think and Build Wealth. Now I know there is a book out there that's Think and Grow Rich. However, this is my take on this topic. So mine is going to be Think and Build Wealth. Now, how do you build wealth? Wealth building or wealth creation takes coming up with a plan, having a strategy, and being able to execute and take action. Now, for you to be able to build wealth, you have to provide value to the marketplace. You have to provide value to society. Now, that's why you have to think. You need to think of a product, you need to think of a service that you can bring to the marketplace, and in return you will be compensated, and then you can build wealth using the cash flow that comes from your endeavor. So an example could be if you have a cleaning business, you start a cleaning business whereby you're cleaning businesses or offices. In return, you're compensated for the service that you're providing. Now, depending on how serious or how well you do with the business, then the cash flow that comes in from the cleaning business, you can now invest that into other streams of income, into other income producing assets that helps propel your wealth. Another example could be if you start a car rental business whereby you're renting your cars to the public. Because you're providing a valuable service, in return you're compensated, and then the cash flow that comes in and basically the profits that you get from your car rental business, you can now invest that into income producing assets to further propel your wealth. Another example could be if you like to fix cars. Same thing, you can start a car fixing garage where you're servicing vehicles for people, and in return you're compensated, and you take some of the revenue that you get or the profits that you realize from your car repair shop, invest that into income producing assets. So you have to think, okay, before you can build wealth, you have to think of what products, what services you are going to provide to the marketplace, what value are you bringing to the marketplace, and in return you'll be compensated. So there is no secret to building wealth. That's the secret, okay, if there was any secret. So the key to building wealth is you have to think of a product, think of a service, think of what value are you going to bring to the marketplace, and in return you will be compensated, and then you can take those proceeds and use that to acquire income producing assets which will help propel your wealth. So that's the key to building wealth. That's the key to creating a stable financial foundation. You have to provide value. You have to bring something to the table, and in return you'll be compensated. Most people just believe that having a 9-to-5 job is the only way to go. No, having a 9-to-5 job is fine. It gives you a foundation, but you have to build on top of that foundation. Okay, so having a 9-to-5 is great, but you have to build on top of that 9-to-5 if you want to create wealth. The only way you can be successful from having a 9-to-5 is if you're a high income earner, and then you still have to channel some of your surplus cash into creating other forms of income, or in trying to use those extra funds, okay, to build wealth for yourself. So you can't just rely on just one form of income. So it all comes down to making sure that you think of a product, you think of a service that you want to offer the public, and then in return you will be compensated for the product or the service that you bring to the marketplace. So in a nutshell, that's how you build wealth. So building wealth, it isn't easy, but it is doable, okay? And I just want to thank you for coming on this journey with me, and for supporting my channel. And I hope you found value in this video and most of my videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you subscribe to my channel right there, okay, and also hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. And if you haven't as well, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and so that YouTube will share this video with other people. So that's the key to building wealth. You have to bring value to the marketplace. You can't just become wealthy unless you bring value. So whether it's in real estate investments, you're bringing value to the marketplace, whether it's in starting businesses, starting an online store, doing any of those things, okay, you have to bring value to the marketplace, and in return, you will be compensated. And then being smart with the money you have and using the money wisely, okay, to build more wealth for yourself, okay? So it's not how much you make, but basically what you do with what you make that counts, okay? So thank you so much for being here, and as usual, make sure you're true to yourself, you're true to your goals, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.